Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and tips. Here's our review of iCloud Cloud Storage, covering usage and experience. Links to the product are available in the description below. iCloud, Apple's cloud storage solution, is built for seamless integration within the Apple ecosystem. Whether you use an iPhone, iPad, or Mac, iCloud provides a straightforward and dependable method for backing up your files, photos, and documents, making it a perfect fit for those heavily invested in Apple products. A key strength of iCloud lies in its deep integration across Apple devices. With iCloud, automatic synchronization of photos, videos, contacts, notes, and other data occurs across all your Apple devices, guaranteeing that everything is up to date and readily accessible. Furthermore, the service includes iCloud Drive, enabling users to store files and folders accessible from any device with iCloud access. This facilitates easy organization and retrieval of files, whether you're at home, at work, or traveling. iCloud's complimentary 5 GB of storage makes it an appealing option for users with limited storage needs. However, for those requiring additional storage, Apple offers various paid plans, ranging from 50 GB to 2 TB, at competitive price points. Upgrading is a simple process, and managing your plan is easily accomplished through your Apple ID settings. While iCloud excels for Apple users, there are some limitations, particularly regarding cross-platform compatibility. Although seamless on Apple devices, accessing iCloud on non-Apple devices, such as Windows PCs, necessitates downloading iCloud software or utilizing the web interface, potentially impacting the user experience. Security is another significant advantage of iCloud. It employs end-to-end encryption for the majority of your data, and Apple's two-factor authentication provides an added layer of security. This ensures the safety of your files both during storage and transmission. In conclusion, iCloud is an excellent choice for anyone fully integrated within the Apple ecosystem, offering a dependable and secure cloud storage solution. If you prioritize seamless integration with your Apple devices, iCloud is a tough act to follow. For more in-depth information, check the links provided in the description below.